go compromise. Let them clear the road. That's correct. People are not made.
Because I can just look at them off on that.
Linking. You came round up to that area.
Sana kunang cool. Okay.
It's your favorite channel, Gambia This Way. Today we are right in Birkama. It's a continuation of the yesterday walk because Birkama is a big city. So walk is still going on in Birkama.
So only water like asa kauruf. Ah? So dama buka promo wala may spell la. Dañu ba fu wara em. Sende bi nga dogo fofu ah. Mu talu ak fi bi. So muna du ma wala la deg. Am problème ba. Joko fi ah. Fi ya dafa jina ah. Ba. So ko do understand. Parce que li suñ mandate bi suñ ko wara jël suñ bo ñu mën nañu ya fi ala yu bari waye su yow nga jël responsibility ñu def ko sa bobu dégg bon jërëjëf waay ok wa ñu wa tak force de ñaaw wa suñ tang bi fi moy ne pour suufi ak xéer yi loolu fi jëf fini xam nga fi public space la té mi ci kaw yoon bi loolu jaadut kenn wara ko def so ñu la wax ne pour nga jëne ko fi yépp nga dugg ko ci biir ah kañ aha
dañoo doon liggéey bi waaye dañu xam nga ñu ëpp ni dañ leen di doon yóbbu leen
aha
pour ñu liggéey te seen bopp dafa ñëw yóbbu leen pour ñu dem fay fay waa ñi ñëw waa bu ñu dem ko dugal ci biir
waaw suñ problème mooy ne xoolal di bi fale
waaw
da nga fi nekk nii morom mënu fi taxaw
dëgg la
ah amata loolu wata nekk so da nga war a try yëpp nga jëlee ko fii ñu la si biir ah
inshallah
place wa dégg nga ok jërëjëf ok and we have observed that this part of the railway area has to go out. It is part of the road corridor.
Okay, not
Yes. 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 And the signboard also.
for this one. Maybe you can remove it. I will ask the security and just move it inside.
Okay. Okay.
Take it in.
Okay. No, for which one? Which one? You mean the signboard?
Yes, the signboard.
No, for the signboard, we cannot remove this one. You have to take the responsibility, please.
Okay, we will.
Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hopefully tomorrow by then.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
No.
Hey, No, come.
Linking. You came round up to that area.
This is come now.
Kana worry,
My friend. You know what? Yes, I'm not back there. Let them just make that. Thank you. We are all third force members. We are working on Operation Clear Group. And we have observed that part of these rulings are only no result. So we said, let's just inform you that they should be removed. And the also signboard there, the signboard has also been removed. And again, these are 10 to put here should also be removed. So we want to see that the road corridor is very clear for people to use them freely. So that's our mission here. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It would have been better if I have prior notice.
Well,
I don't have any prior notice.
Well, I think they have given this press release for the past 3 months ago.
Well, as the plant manager, I've never received any notice.
No. They make it a general press release.
Okay.
Yes, in the media outlets.
All right. Let me know exactly which ones we need to demolish.
overall, I think it's good because at the end of the day, it's for the interest of the nation. So, but as I tell the guy, it would have been better certain places you give a prior notice, like in written. So that would have been better. Because press release, not everybody listen to some of those press releases. So
But you don't think we Gambian that is our weakness? Because we don't listen to news, we don't even read news, we don't even watch our own Gambian TV.
unfortunately, that's the case. But as I say, in addition to press release, some of the institutions, it would have been better you send them formal letter. That would have helped because it's for the interest of the country in general. So at the end of the day, it's a good cause. My only concern is me removing this because I know how we struggle with the hawkers here and the vendors. Me removing this in 1 month time, they will be selling here at our doorstep. I only hope they will control that. It's not only removing this, but sustainability. It's not like today you come, we do it. Tomorrow, in 1 month time, you see the place full, back again. That won't make sense. That won't make sense. So doing this is one thing, sustaining this is another thing. And that's the problem in Gambia. We don't sustain anything. You do it before you notice in 1 month time, there are people, vendors everywhere. Look at that road leading to my backyard. It's full. I've been to area council so many times to clear those vendors. That's a highway. You can see it there. Even our cars, they cannot enter there. There are vendors there all over. We went to area council so many times. They said they cannot do anything. They are paying their tax. So some of those things, I think, all hand on deck. We should all work together to make it better place.
Your last word?
My last word to Gambia is let's all cooperate and work together. It's for the interest of Gambia in general.
Within 24 hours. And that's what we done today. Come, claim it, yes, please. Sorry. Huh? And absolutely necessary because as you can see, roadsides are congested, tables and stuff of all kind all everywhere. So it's part of national development.
And
We
I
are
see that your filling station is the petrol part of the filling station.
no, not us. I think our neighbors, but for us, as you can see, our machines are inside. But they say their machines are, especially the other one, the other side, Oryx. They say that those machines are they're on the side that should be how do they call removed. But our machines, I don't know. I don't. It doesn't affect our machines.
Any other question?
Well, well, I don't think I have any more to say except job well done.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah. Ah, im okay. Ebe nekk nañ fa seen wal. Kura ñi danda woldo. Yimbe mo silol. Tout kafin. Ah? So ala bo xata bu ñe sa na kana bu ndel. Yawo. Ah, sa ala bo xata bu. Okay, ele bos ko ala bo xata bu tari du ko ma bon le. Ndom tak fas memale da. Mo person class do le. Ku ga silol ke ka silol fanul. Bungol anin sun yanke silo ko mi yanke man rakko yal kon. Yebo ha. Alle mbi ko alle la no be tout. Foka fini silo kan. Tebe silo kan. Tout. So la sala ba xata bu lije santen ale bu bu. Ka wajam ka gel. Kura ñi data jal. Yimbe mo silol. Ni te nda silo. Ni fa nda silo mu tambil. Ko yalla ko di. So ni se ali abun yamu. Okay, sanse ba xata bu ni bi kan kana ba tay kan. Te la ko me kana ne ba tay la. And this time should be here. It is on the road. No, but this one is not. It's not. It's today. Look at it. So it has to move out here, please. And we are giving you only 24 hours. If not, you'll be responsible, please. Thanks.
So we might get back. And then
sorry
waaw
yaa ngi ko gis Sénégal bi di jógee fii
waaw
ba lii yëpp si kaw yoon bi
ok
fii yëpp def war a génn
ok
te teel a war a nekk soo da ngaa si nga jëlee sa bagage yi parce que gars yi ñu ngi ñëw ak marto suñu ñëwee ñu passé ko teg
dama bëgg a génne fii quoi
waa jënd leen
ma dugal ko si
waa defal loolu léegi nii dégg nga sama mun la kana kabul men jam ka moto be ibile mutu paka inga so jam ali akata ali afala muli sangal bi mo wulta ila ga so because ni mo tara jam fana de kan arrest you and ni arrest on that's your responsibility you understand so ko mo hodo
beta bela kuma beta ni mun ban ku doko le doka adun ban ku doko na be keri mu mele janda kafala nyoma na ke kilin ni man ka politique tan ko kan silo ntallata suba ntalle mun drive nta kabringa kuma mo serkunda kontanta fo nya sobe nya ni na ta jam pour que mo jinne manokan ngende njaw na nya marchandise abuka silo bu adita driver iman duwa ye mota hanin tunduma lam iman duwa pure duwa kan bari ye nana ye kam so duwo nyorte ne ten fa aita wo mume e buka kada silo aduni lo ta mari sunka if le trouble ta because of it police ye ta luptano ko do jelle be bole bulo kono
nangale yang si jama good sembar bi tay la jël ko dégg aha
extended outside
no we are said no attachment on the building so everything attached on no thank you very much good na sila min di jawalan ko malla be kamo yes lo ga garna wa filology silo mo be dula mo may la kayus ka kala ila private entity ka mbal no gada wala mo may la kayus fi ka ke tadi ko ka sabadi ji jam na tamalawo mo do tiwo basi to tiwo han fal tiwol e rasul jam mo be rasul la kanjal so mo may la kala ka sije e gas lo den multi so la sala ala la ko bundi jam albe dalu mo sofa ta filology jam silolti ani fasar na ma fasar ngo fasiti ina rajal kala bundi jam lo mo ko rek sama so la mo rajal mo taraja ndi arasle ala moy yo ala bara ngo ma ya hodu akabo jande
yenyu la moto jele ke fa kina mente iga fe ni masandi fuel ila moto ya na de das min yenyu bandi ko moto londe tenen hey maga
assalamu alaikum clear so na pani mindi wala jende adi jende la sana kuna cool okay because mala ala sele bu ñaari ba na lan ko gabi du wala gas ba an mo mo yamata pira gas ba because ala kan tesu nga jama ko la tesu di lendi ya on san so mba tan ne yamu mo afoye ko dan so le ko man mba yamata mba dana mbira gas ba neslo bi fi yam e pour yaklo yon bi so premier moy ne li understand ni sen ke gi films yani ki fitawno so sambar bi bi da ngoy jine fi janga fi joson la mo de jaar fi rek na pour gas wala ko de wala gis ku fa ñew so sen bi den fi wala jine len dokko completely be ci route bi ana sanga wal defo te de nga luma buga moy fi yoon bi bu yaatu yaa ngi gis bon su la jógee na le dafa war a gis lu ñëwee nii yaa moy aku ndi la jam yen pile mun yaa moy ak bi yaa moy bi waaw Ila bijang.
Jere bijang.
Aha, ngai fayini ya. Alani. Oya kunda straight. Biwe ta be sindiji.
Jere bijang.
Be buji. Machine. Naga do sindi. Okay. Wa mbar bi nak. Ah boss, mbar bi. Wa bi jele ko ya. Ah? Si bilu fu mem, bi dem info. Okay. Ñu duga ci biir ci biti da wala fa nekk ana sanga waa jël léegi nga def ko léegi yéen ñu duga ci biir baax na jërëjëf naam fa atata boy ndamru assalamu alaykum amul la nga def ay fi nekk ana sanga baax na jërëjëf sëriñ ma baax na dégg
Maam yi
waaw ñu duga ci biir dégg waaw mbar yi fële ka ma ko fa def
boobu waa ji dafa jël.
dafa jéena dafa rajo foofu de
dafay ñëw ci kanam.
waaw
dañ koy kii mën naa koy gis.
waaw dafa rajo wàcc
bi lay génn
waaw mbaar bi si kaw mu ne bi ko moom
bi ñun la bi lay def. bi dafa paan tuuti rek day defar baar.
si yoon bi la nekk te du yow moom la ko moom moo ko keneen moomu ko ñu ba si bokk nga tray sa bagage yi yëpp yii nii ñu jóge si biir bi foog nga moomee foog nga fara am dégg nga waaw defal loolu léegi nii yëpp salaamaaleykum kana mundu itla bi kodi aha yala ram tal kodi yan jam bojo jam silo ni masala silo ide mbe kay de ni de baka haju wajam ndi ndaji wajam sa tamale mun doldo eta silo so la so ala baka so be dun ko to alle bi sample clean fu lalo spren ko jam imna da kala sala ay dun ko ta jibe ji ya fam baka lu ko sa yama asani people today thank you
Papi beje mo papi ko je folo hey goba da
ila mo la ya ko ñu son mu da tim sama jang ya ko ñu accepté et qu'on peut accepter ko sama ñu ko wa bi tan man no mi na yo ke ko suluma akwai ne ya fo ya ma ba ka mu ja ko ko daw sa kabir de ngeen kabir ngeen so social media ndem ko compromise ni ndem clair do des correct ndem bi bala na me de nga mu do siye wala na problème jena mun tele place mbese tule bibi do mbego la jam bi ko comme ya famille ame ndem mi ko ndoke ndo burna ko mo ako seru na de diam ka wo bañu la kala ado mo tala
excuse me seru mandi
yo good nde do man tala
seru na dal nga
mara bi be tan bi today ko comme ya yumi ya nde mo don mu tala mbulo ko na ase do ito lon
so min bije
ne ra wada ni ma sada ni ko ma nda ko de ko
no sedi la
nde ala sa ni na man ni ndam ngum ne fa min tele ko ka na dem sam sambula kala ndako ada ndey la wulu ñami ada lu wulu ma la jang to ñala bi jang sodo billahi wallahi kala ni aka to nde bolo jang
ya le kuma kilin ha wo is a point ngabo jang to le bije ko sangi juma at one yes aye bojang
dole na mamira wobe because na minta la mo impare pour mo no pour small samwe na minta gambe jam mo man siya mo ani lunta wala na min fena man gambe di man pisiye ina tan na bankole kan andum fanambe mo la bankole excuse me say nin dolle atol bondi je mo dole na nan jam woni luwa man tan we not going to accept but jampanan fanan na alon pon fe ko brikama musate kebale okay ni stop to be nyami sate tem amani is not nice that's correct ita fango wo accept amani ya friend so goto na arrangement min ke pour nyin before B into folete but I know ni jabota jam council will take care council la commission habitat the moment jambota jay it is going to be under the council and it's at a more near the toilet they will take care and government but this is not nice it within the road corridor ndol pam kaje ni mo tolbe tambi kaje abuko correct janka kenya ndol ko jabi every day ko mo take jam dik jam ya nga ko on that note so mo le paak jam I really thank you be jayla Allah operational yam Allah baraka
since nying operational kumasta ngoli amira komba kumasla brikamale fente fo brikamala deto bi brikama ni natala sate yajibe is one of the largest town in this country. Mia Lonko headed by one alcalo, and then he has his supportive head of wards. Bi woman taradulato. Sate mimbe kote kabila muang anin nani. O kabila o shata sate doltile. Right? Sate deteta. Bi momo dunta brikama. Imu brikama sate dingoti o. Imanke brikama sate dingoti o. Ifanka kontande. Kunu nata janga dami maki area slum. Silo min kata filo jana garasoto ngaje ko garaso la silo a detetale nin sama keta molbi kabula no blato o dira be ka fa jiolla adu mon nyanta tamala dami ye bitikol bele ke woto ale yake binga o bitikol bondi moma barama moma mo nen sonka manke nata loptano la siloto mi ya lon ko ni bota nyim mano kan kata loptano is only 150 meters amantambiwol molka wulu musolka wulu ambulance kono je wo manke kuti mi yalon ko a force diano mokan so wokan tatan diamuto wol fana mbake kan jebe seneyata ni en hakilo bulandi brikamala wato min nan tolbe bo dindi yal na o malaynol fele fintitanan sinol fele fintitanan ni na dajibe brikama ex peoples students ye mutuary law ye mutuary nyil law ye bunda bula komala wo komala moto bi katano je ni be fure cikala ikadu ni loptano le konola ni be fure bondila ikadunni ibe ikapintini loptano konola wali ya tandiko amam bete ya wo nyama sasa tobe lari ibe mira la fo bilon fo samalo ikaje furel kata tula kambile la fulo tula ta ate sonde mo nyin tankundela bunda bi je mi yalo ko nyin wa furla le wolbeta ka jebe occupied alhamdulillah minum fanam bije ye ñoo understand ibota je bi wol min fana ye wolo ya hame wo kama bi wol fana se barajo soto i fana se kontanno ko nga millo ay al popos ñin safle brikama mumbele tadu nte bola brikama yalo mol kam mo koma kumale nte bola brikama manke aman tentu ma jayi ma la kansulol tentu me jayi ifele nimbebe dokola al se video aliyeje ay la kansulo mol kinan ko be joinin fe mbenga do koke mol sa lonko kia mano masakunda ko kia kansul dolbe nyami mbele bulobe nyokono kaje ko ngabirika seneyandi oto yankuba dabo inila molu kata vice chairman no mpango barindingolu ala baraka mbal tentula mbal jayila wassalam.
Being a law-abiding citizen and a law student for that matter, I have to come down to the ground, on the ground rather, to wait for them. But we were never notified. This is why on my point, I told them that they are sensitizing, but the sensitization, I'm not in for it. Like, I'm not happy about it because at least they should go deeply. The televisions and the radios alone are not enough.
Concerns that desensitization is qualified.
It's not enough. To me, this is my own view. It's not enough. But hadn't been that it is enough, then I wouldn't be here today asking them questions. I would have done it by myself and then contact my tenants to do what is expected of them.
So now that you are told part of your building is occupying the highway and it has to be demolished, what are your thoughts?
Really, I felt so bad. I definitely felt so bad. It's so disheartening because this place has been here for ages, as I mentioned earlier. But then, this is the law. We cannot supersede the law. And they're saying that it's like a sort of development. But also, when you're developing, there should be an alternative. You should put aside some important things, some important measures that will be aside. At least the citizens also will expect that, okay, they are demolishing my property. Yes, it is the law, but tomorrow we should expect something better. The better Gambia, a better Gambia is for every citizen. So we are all craving for a better Gambia. But to me today, I felt so bad. When you're looking at me right directly, you'll know that I'm not myself at this point in time. I can't even compare myself because I felt so bad, really. Yeah, but we just have to take it with good faith and then know that it's the law. The law calls for it, so we have to abide with it. What impact will this have on? Yeah, it will hamper. It will hamper on me and my tenants as well, because this is where we are earning our living. And then the tenants as well. Most of them are non-Gambians. They came to the Gambia here to at least develop themselves and then go back to their country, and they're investing in the Gambia. And the investment also partly is coming to our country, the country's economy. So it's very bad for us, absolutely.